Okay, I just got my seat riser kit in the mail. This is, I just found these on eBay. That comes with 4 spacers, 4 bolts. And what these do, let's get in the truck here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll unscrew each, there's 4 bolts that hold this seat in, and then each of these spacers go underneath them. So the nice thing is these are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes 1, 2, and the rear 3 and 4. So all you do to do this, guys, is pretty simple. So there's a little trim piece here next to the seat. This just pulls up. So I pull that up like that. And then I get a T50 Torx bit. Take that off. Take this one off over there. And I'll slide the seat forward, take the 2 rear ones off. So let's get taking those off. Okay, first one's out. There is Loctite on these, so it does take a little effort to get them out, but there's not a lot of torque on them. So let's get this, we'll get this other side out. Okay, in the rear, I just scooted the seat all the way up. The rear ones are a little more accessible, so same T50. Okay, that one out now. Come over here so you can see there. I loosened them up first with the ratchet, so now I'm just using the impact gun to get them out. And number 3 is on by the door. Okay, on these bolts here, we're just going to put a little bit of we're putting in some red Loctite. Blue or red's fine. Just want to get it started just real loosely, and then okay, so for this front one has a little arm on it, and we put it in this clip, and then it slips on under the seat here. So then this trim piece will now be below the rail, but it's clipped into this thing, so that's kind of the design behind it there. Just put a little Loctite on this thing. Oop.
Pause.
Yeah. Okay, all you really do is you just bolt them back down with these spacers in there. Got it all down, and that's about my driving position, so you can kind of see, you know, the spacer is noticeable. It's good that it's black. But that little 1.5 inch spacer does make a difference. Okay, so in the front, there's that little arm on the, let's see if we can get a view here. There's a little arm on this one where this is actually clipped into that arm right there. So instead, this used to be clipped in right here, but in order to keep it flush on the floor, there's that arm that this clips into, and then it still clips into the bottom pieces right there. So it's not very noticeable that the seat's raised up, which is good. See over there, there's our spacer over there. All right, so we're all set. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.